Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ronnie from Asiatic Wares and I am back. A long time no see. I'm here to share a completed project, a finished jewelry update from supplies that I've used that were sent to me by the wonderful people over at Beebeecraft.com. You'll recall from a previous video I did, I believe it was around December 2019. If I can, I'll link it either up above or it'll be in a description box. And it was a small haul using some of the items you see here. There was a jewelry making kit, there was a gemstone chip bead set, and I bought some 20 gauge silver wire. With this jewelry kit, there was a tool. I don't have it near me. It was a pair of round nose pliers, and I also received a pair of chain nose pliers, I believe it was. But like I said, I will link that video either up above or it'll be down in the description box below. But in this set here, it was the jewelry making kit, and it was provided for you enough beads and supplies. You have eye pins, we had toggle clasp, we had some beads. As you can see here, I've used mostly everything out of here. And it provided everything you needed to make 6 bracelets. What I decided to do was to combine both the jewelry making kit of the round beads and I used the chip beads to make 6 bracelets. So the included instruction sheet that they provided with the jewelry kit, it gave 6 example designs of what you could do to make the 6 bracelets. But like I said, I decided to combine both the chip beads and the round beads to make my jewelry designs. So one of the first bracelets I made was, upside down. One of the first bracelets I made was this one. It is a 2-strand bracelet with using the barrel shaped connector, and I used the green beads that were in that jewelry kit. It has a toggle clasp that was provided in the kit, and it was really simple and easy to make. I believe with this jewelry kit, if you know how to make jewelry, it wasn't hard to use at all, but they did provide basic instructions on how to use the tool and how to connect the wires and beads and connectors. The second bracelet I made was a 2-strand bracelet. Now here is where I used both the round beads and the chip beads. I don't know why I keep calling them chip stones. The chip beads, along with this, I believe this is a lotus flower connector that was provided in with the kit. Again, it has a toggle clasp, and I just made a double strand bracelet with that, again using a toggle clasp, the lotus flower connector, the round carnelian chip, and the, I think this is the rose quartz chip and round beads. And so I think that came out really cute. And I think these will make really cute gifts, or nice little happy mail items if I wanted to send this out to someone. Staying with the lotus flower, I made a single strand bracelet using more of the green beads, and these green beads have like a black and green swirl in there. I hope you can see that. My lighting is not perfect today, but using again the lotus flower connectors, I just made a single strand bracelet and the toggle clasp. The 4th bracelet I made is a single strand, very simple, using a mix of the, I believe this is charcoal, smoky quartz, not charcoal, smoky quartz chips, the crystal chips, and the, not sure, I think these are rose quartz round beads, but just use those to make a single strand bracelet. with the toggle clasp that was provided in the jewelry kit. Really simple design. Sometimes all you need is something simple. Very, very good for a minimalist approach to jewelry. The fifth bracelet I made is a 3-strand bracelet using this flower connector. Yeah, those are flowers, little leaf pattern connector. Again, I combined the chip stones. These are amethyst chips along with the round beads, the green and the clear round beads. Combined them into a simple pattern to make a 3-strand bracelet using the decorative leaf connector at the ends, along with the toggle clasp provided in the kit. And it is a very cute bracelet. And so there we have it. And I think that's a very cute bracelet. I love the color combination together, the purple and green. I don't know. To me, it works. And the final bracelet is a combination of black, white, and gray. So these are the black, white, and gray. Red, black, and gray. I don't know what I just said there. Red, black, and white, gray, whatever. The red, black, and white beads. No chip stones in this one, but I am using the decorative connectors provided in the jewelry making kit. And this one has a little bit of structure to it, which is good. Also use the decorative leaf connectors at the end, the toggle clasp that was provided. And I like this one. I might make some earrings to go with this. The earrings won't have this connector, but I think I like the combination of this color beads, and so I might make some earrings to go with these. And speaking of earrings, I also made these earrings. This is one of the first things I made with this set. This is using the chip beads. This is the amethyst, the aquamarine, and the clear crystal chip beads. This triangle connector did not come from Beebeecraft. This is from a previous haul. And the wire that I used is from Beebeecraft. So I just made a cute little pair of earrings. They're kind of like chandelier earrings. They have a nice little dangle. And I thought this was fun. And again, would make a really cute gift for someone. Another set I made was using the chip beads, and I made a simple stretch bracelet. Nothing fancy or spectacular about this, but I used the combination of all of the chip beads in here, with the exception of the smoky quartz. I did not use the smoky quartz in this. So in this bracelet, we have the tiger eye, we have the clear crystal, we have the carnelian, we have the amethyst, we have the turquoise, combined in a cute little pattern to make a nice bracelet. With that, I made a pair of earrings. And these earrings are kind of like in a tassel design. And I hope you're able to see that. Using the same pattern as the bracelet. And it's 3 strands. Like I said, sort of in a tassel design. So I thought those were really cute. And the last thing I made was this. I am still trying to wrap my hands around the task of making a wire wrapped ring. But I do like the way this ring came out. Let's see if I can get it a little closer for you so that you can see that. I used some of the chip stones in there. And I really like the way it came out. The only thing I would say about this is if you're going to tackle making wire wrapped rings, you need really strong wire. And unfortunately, this wire is not strong enough for that. The 20 gauge, I have other 20 gauge wire from a different brand, and it's much thicker and stronger than this brand, and it made strong enough rings. But this wire, for me personally, is not cutting it for rings. You would need something a lot thicker than this 20 gauge. So if you were to get this brand of wire, you would probably need to go lower in gauge. So I would say probably 12 to 14 gauge in this particular brand of wire. But I am happy that I even took on the task, the challenge of making a ring. And I really do like the way that came out. I do. I like the way it came out. I like the design. I like the freeform look of it. And I'm going to get some more wire, some heavier gauge wire, and I'm really going to try to perfect that because I really want to make more of these. I think they're a lot of fun to make, but that is what I did. So here's a look at the projects I was able to complete using the items I received from Beebeecraft.com. I was able to make the 6 bracelets out of using the jewelry kit, and I still have plenty of gemstones, chip beads that I can use to make more projects. I was able to make 2 pairs of earrings using the chip beads plus a stretch bracelet. So, and a ring. Can't forget the ring I was able to make. So I still have plenty of materials to use, and I look forward to doing more projects using Beebeecraft.com items. I will have a link in my description box below to Beebeecraft and to the items that I have featured here in this video. Guys, thank you for hanging with me. Thanks for rocking with me in my absence. I really do appreciate you. Thank you for those of you who have checked in on me and just wondered where I was. All is good. Life just needed some prioritizing, and unfortunately this channel took a back seat, but I am back, and hopefully I will be back really soon with more finished jewelry updates, more supply hauls, and just more fun overall. So thanks again, guys, for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a thumbs up down below. Leave me a comment to let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.